What's up, YouTube? Today I'm in Animal Company, and you might have seen that Scary Baboon video I did earlier. But by the time you see this video, the Scary Baboon video, you won't be able to see it. But this is the code I'm in, and by the time you join it, I'm probably not even gonna be in the code, but I'll stay in this code for a while. Alright, the thing we're gonna do today is check out the new map, because they said there was a new map. So, and I guess I'll get a shotgun, because they also said there was a new monster. Put some ammo in the bag. I'm gonna get some rockets to boost. Ooh, what's this? Alright, so they added new fans. I got some rockets to boost myself. Guys, let me know in the comments if this update is good or not, cause I never checked it out yet. And I also heard people say that there was an egg. Oh, it's over here, I think. Yeah, I think it's over here. If it's not, I would have been mad. Oh, I could buy one of these. 103. Oh, it's a maze. I'm not really good at mazes that well. But in Scary Baboon, I suck. The game's garbage. I'm probably only do Scary. I'm probably only gonna do like part 5 of Scary Baboon. Pretty bad. I'm sorry if I said Scary Baboon is bad and it offended you. What is this button? It offended you, but like but like, what the freak? Oh, what the freak? Oh, heck nah. They no messing with the hood, brother. What the freak? What the freak? What the freak? No! Bro, what the freak? That was a cheap, bro. That was a cheap shot, bro. He caught me off guard. So, I'm guessing the button attracts him, because whenever I clicked it, he ran to the button. Then it started jumping on the walls and attacking me. So, yeah, I'm ready for war, brother. I'm ready for war. Look at that dude! Yeah, come on. Alright. Yeah, you wanna go? Yeah! What you doing? Wanna mess with me? Like, bro. You suck. You suck. Dang, this dude is garbage. Absolute dog water. Well, anyway, since I killed him, I don't really know what to do now. I cannot figure this maze out. Y'all need to help me out in the comments. Where to go? I'm so lost. I'm so lost. I'm sorry, but guys, this is the new area in Animal Company. So I will post this video after it's done, and make sure to check out my shorts. There's only gonna be 2, but like them, and to like my videos, because I need to be a content creator. So if you run into one of my videos, watch it. Bye-bye, YouTube. What the fuck? Bye-bye. Yay.